buckle up at 4G now, twisting towards us as they get ready to fly the vertical brake. This is another nice moment for your cameras. I should imagine the pilots are saying a small prayer now as they maintain formation in the cloud. Here they come, splitting in the vertical brake. Yes, we have to do blue, white, red. Okay, let me tell you about Boomer. He was the guy pulling up. He's a Kiwi pilot. He joined the Royal New Zealand Air Force before he came to the Royal Air Force. But because he's a Kiwi, he has strange taste in food. And the other day, this is absolutely true, I saw him eat a beef burger with egg, mayonnaise and beetroot on it all at the same time. It's disgusting, and we tell him we don't do this in England. Beef burger with egg and mayonnaise to make a better smoke trail. Slide. Using rudder. It's quite a difficult maneuver to fly. As Enid flies, leaders benefit. It's closing at 1,300 kilometers an hour. So I told you about our technicians. Well, today you might be able to see some of them, 10 in fact, upside down, with 7, 8 and 9 the right way up, flying a -2.5 G barrel roll. So you can see 6 is upside down in relation to the other aircraft. It's a very difficult maneuver to fly. 8 and 9 rolling around the smoke trails of 6 and 7. Then synchro roll and we get ready for the cross. So keep your cameras ready. Which we call the Vixen Brake. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the Red Arrows. Thank you very much. Thank you. De har en Hercules med normalt, som følger den.